Bosch is a worldwide conglomerate that specializes in the manufacturing of pretty much everything, from self-driving automotive systems all the way to refrigerators. From a conceptual standpoint, the goal was to manufacture the Active Tools Order Management or abac software system. This solution would digitally orchestrate the lifecycle of industrial tools, ensuring their correct progression through the manufacturing plant. Technically speaking, the challenge was to collaborate in providing custom software development services for developing a responsive, multi-actor software system. This system would facilitate the interaction of multiple types of users to account for complex workflows revolving around the ordering, storing, transportation, and maintenance of industrial tools that are shared between multiple manufacturing lines. As a result, the software solution has reached its initial MVP in a period of 6 months and has seen multiple incremental improvements since its original launch date. At present, abac is used for managing the tools of over 100 production lines in a 24/7 fashion and has optimized the space taken up by unused tools by north of 20%.